How's it going, guys? Lonings? My name's Maskcast, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing my new microphone, which is the Shure SM58 legendary vocal microphone. This is a very old, technically, microphone. Well, I guess this is a little bit newer version, but you know what I mean. This microphone is very famous, as we all know. But I wanted to go dynamic, and I wanted to go XLR. So right now, this is the only part I have right now. But next week, I should be getting my audio interface, my cable, and a windscreen for the mic. So that's gonna be really awesome. And then at the end of the month, I might be able to get my new headset. But no matter what, guys, let's put down the camera again in the way that I do and let's unbox it. Alright guys, so here it is, our Shure SM58. So we're just gonna slide it out. Most of you probably already know the microphone. We got a Shure sticker, I think. I don't really know what it is. It's like cut up into two. Limited warranty. And a user guide. I think I know how to use a microphone. We got a clip, as you can see, and there's no screw in it. Hopefully that comes with it. I don't know. Got the microphone and some bubble wrap. We're gonna take that one afterwards. You get a leather sort of pouch, I guess. I'm guessing it's leather, like fake. It says Shure right there. I don't know if it's really, if you can see it. Has a zipper on top, so you can carry a microphone around if you go home to like homies and friends. You can put it in here if you gotta travel it around. There's a cable tie. I'm guessing that's what this is. Really cool. Just move the box to the side. Here we got the Shure SM58. You got the XLR port at the bottom. It says Shure SM58. Shure SM58. I think you can take the top off. Yeah. Then you can screw it off. And it's like wired and stuff. I'm not really gonna deal with that. But no, that's really cool. I would love to be able to do a test for you guys, but I won't be able to do that until next week. But yeah, so that's the Shure SM58. I don't know much. It's a cardioid polar pattern. It's dynamic, as you guys know. I'm excited to step up my audio game. I've wanted a dynamic mic for so long. I've been using this Blue Snowball Ice for the past like 4 years. Actually, more like 5. And to be honest, I'm definitely tired of it. I don't enjoy it much anymore. And I don't really know how to put in this clip. Hope I did that right. And that's gonna sit right on my mic arm and like be right at you. So like this is my face, kind of. But yeah, that's the Shure SM58. How's it going, guys? And welcome back to the second part. It is now Monday, and the last parts of my system, or my audio equipment, came, as you guys know, right before you saw the Shure SM58. So here we got a windscreen, which is a popper stopper windscreen for SM58, and a bunch of other microphones fits. And it's the Shure one. It's official. We got a Gear for Music cable crisp audio transmitter. It was just a cheap cable. I just needed something, so I just went with this one, and it fit exactly on my budget. So, and then we got the new M-Audio M-Track Solo, which is pretty cool. It pretty much just came out not too long ago. And I wanted to get it. It was either this or the U22 something from Behringer. But I wanted to go with this one because it looks a lot cleaner. We have some programs. Pro Tools first, M-Audio Edition. MPC Beats. We get virtual instruments, we get X-Band. And in effects, we get 11 light guitar amps and FX modeling. And 20 Avid effects plugins. So, really cool. So we're going to unbox this, and this for you guys. Let's check out the small things first. So the cable, you know, pretty standard cable. Yeah, not really much there. It's just an XLR cable. Not the highest of grade, not the coolest looking cable, but a cable nonetheless. This is the most scuffed unboxing you've probably ever seen, but that's fine. Alright. So we got a cable here. It is 3 meters long. I feel that's a fine length for it to be, since it's going to be right over here. And that way I can also go a little around. So we got the cable. Then we got the windscreen. A genuine Shure accessory. Yeah, it's genuine, guys. Come on. How the hell do you open this thing? And there you go, we got a little windscreen. Now we got the most important thing. The M-Audio Track Solo. So we got a user guide and a stop to download the latest drivers. And here it is. Away with your box.
Run.
Got in here, we get a cable. It's just USB powered. It doesn't need anything else, just USB, so that is very nice. Hopefully you can run the Shure SM58. It should be able to. So it's a USB-A 2.0, I'm pretty sure, to a USB-B. I think that's what it is. That's very nice. And if this one ever breaks, the blue snowball also uses the same kind of cable, so I can just switch it out if I want to. Now, I'm not really good at specs at these sort of things, so if you want to check it out, I'll leave a link to Podcastage video on this one. He does a really good video on it. Pretty much anything audio related, do go check him out because he's amazing. So I'll leave it in the description below. You also get a snack. Don't eat it, it says on it. So here it is. It's kind of nice. It got XLR port, a line-in/instrument, and I think that's 3.5. Let me find cable. Luckily, I just let one laying around for my HyperX headset. So let's see if this is what it is. It's a 3.5-inch jack, or I think it's called a 1/8 inch as well. So that's cool. And the microphone is like this line/mic, and it has like the hole in the middle as well. So that's really cool. Has a switch here for instruments or line. You can put on phantom power or off. I'm not going to be using that because it's a dynamic microphone. And then you have a USB or direct, which pretty much goes to this one. So if you just want to hear your PC playback, you can put it on USB. But if you want to hear direct zero latency direct monitoring, you flip it over here. It has a little sticker for it's not going to autofocus, but crystal preamp. Crystal preamps. So yeah, it's very plasticky. But what did you expect? It's a cheap audio interface. We got our input for our mic, and this one will light red if it's clipping and green if it's audio. Here's the same here, and then you have output, which is your headphones. On the back, it has main outs, which is for like speakers and stuff, and then it has USB, which is really cool. I'm gonna go install the drivers and everything like that, and then we're gonna compare it to the Blue Snowball Ice. So I'll be right back. So hi guys, right now you're listening to the Blue Snowball Ice. I don't know how well it sounds anymore. I really don't like it, but compared to the other one, let me know which one sounds best in the description below. Oh, sorry, in the comments below. I'm stupid. And here is the test of the Shure SM58. The only thing I've done is removed the background noise. So that's the only thing you guys will hear. But no matter what, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you at the outro. But guys, this is the Shure SM58. I don't know how well it sounds. Sorry about my messy room. But I don't know how well it sounds yet. I haven't really heard back on it. But it seems to be pretty good. No matter what, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, remember to press the like button. If you're new, please consider subscribing. It helps me out a ton. I know this wasn't the most like technology-based one. If you want that, again, link in the description below to book a podcast. But no matter what, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see all y'all in the next video. Goodbye.